Hey, what's going on, guys? Easy Crypto here. Today I wanted to give a tutorial and also some news regarding crypto.com. So now United States residents can connect and link their bank accounts to their platform, which also provides zero trading fees, which is fantastic because I know a lot of beginners tend to use Coinbase and they get charged on every time they want a dollar cost average in, and right now is a great time to be dollar cost averaging into cryptocurrency. So I'm going to show you how to link your bank account and how to pay no fees on your trading. So it's pretty fantastic. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to click Fiat Wallet. You're going to wait for it to load. You're going to click Transfer. You're going to click Deposit. You're going to click United States Dollar. And then you're going to link your bank account, and you can see it has no fees and it's instant, which is fantastic. And it's going to show you right here, once it takes 7 days for the money to be settled and pulled out of your bank account before you can withdraw it from the crypto.com platform, but you have it instantly. So it's very, very good. No fees for dollar cost averaging into crypto is extremely important if you want to lower your cost basis. So then you want to click Link Bank Account. And it just shows what they use. They use Plaid to connect your account. They don't share your data, which is huge. Click Continue. You pick your bank account. You type in your bank's information, and you're good to go. And if you want a free $25 of crypto, when you use this app, click my referral link below, and we each get $25. Thanks, guys. Bye.